Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME 10 and let me show you how to switch keyboard language on this device. So at first open Messages or any other area where you can input some text. Click on Start Chat to see the current keyboard, and all you have to do now is to click on Settings icon, then select Languages, and now add a keyboard. You can either scroll all the way down the list to find the language that you want to apply, or you can click on Search area and enter some language right here. Now you can remove unnecessary languages, or obviously you can remove, for example, 2 or 3 of them. Then you will be able to switch between languages by tapping on space. But this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.